Hello everyone. In this video we are going to look at function notation. Function notation is a way to name a function that is defined by an equation. If you have an equation y equals 3x minus 8, the function notation for that would be the f of x equals 3x minus 8. So it's a way of writing an equation, but instead of calling it an equation, we call it a function. And what we do is we take the y value, or we take the letter y, and we replace it with the letter f of x. F open bracket, x close bracket. When we write the f of x of a function, what we do then is we can substitute a value for x. So in this instance, we have an equation f of x is equal to 2x plus 5. The question asks us to find the value of the f of minus 2. What this means is that I'm going to substitute minus 2 everywhere that I see x. So I'm going to write my equation, and it becomes the f of x, which is 2 times minus 2 plus 5. So 2 times minus 2, positive times negative, plus times minus is minus, 2 times 2 is 4, plus 5, and that is equal to minus 4 plus 5 is equal to 1. In question B, we've got the same equation, f of x equals 2x plus 5, but now we've got the f value, the function of 1 plus 4. What this means is wherever I see the x value, it's going to become whatever's in the bracket. So that is where my x value is. So let's go ahead and substitute that. That's where my x value is going to be. So it's going to be 2 times 1 plus 5. However, my question has got an additional plus 4, which I'm going to add at the end. So if I calculate this, this becomes 2 times 1, which is 2, plus 5 plus 4, which equals 2. 2 plus 5 is 7. 7 plus 4 is 11. The f of 1 plus 4 is equal to 11. So what did we do? We looked for the x value. We made sure that the value of the x is the same as the value of the number inside the brackets. Every time I saw x, I replaced it with what was in the bracket. And then I multiply it out and I simplify. The f of x is equal to 2x plus 5. So the f of 3 would equal to what? This becomes the f of 3 equals 2 times 3 plus 5. 2 times 3 is 6 plus 5 equals to 11. f of 3 equals 11. What happens if we have, okay, the f of x equals 2x plus 5. The question says, what is 2 minus the f of 0? 2 minus the f of 0. That'll be, I'm going to write my first 2. I'm going to write that 2 and the minus sign. And now I'm going to the function of f, and I'm substituting the value for x, which is 0. So BODMAS says that I do multiplication first. So I've got 2 minus 2 times 0 is 0 plus 5. And that equals 2 plus 5 is 7. Guided practice. For guided practice, you are going to pause, practice and try the exercise by yourself, press play, and then come and check your answer against mine. Question 7. The f of x equals 4x minus 5. What is the function of 2? I'm substituting x is 2. So 4 times 2 is 8, minus 5 equals 3. This is the answer for question 7. This is the answer for question 8. This is the answer for question 9. This is the answer for question 10. This is the answer for question 11. This is the answer for question 12. I hope this was clear. Thank you very much.